Hey guys, what's up? This is Larry again. We're doing a what sold video. This is everything we sold Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. As you can tell, I've been working in the office a little bit more. I hung up some more autograph photos. Let me show you what they are. I sold that Walking Dead cast sign photo. I replaced that with a Jerry Lewis photo. And then I came over here. One of my favorite shows is Westworld. So I got an autographed 11 by 14 of James Marsden. Got a phone booth autograph of Forrest Whitaker. I always forget this guy's name. Ansel Elfort or something like that. He was a Baby Driver. Nicholas Hoult. He's in all kinds of stuff. Mad Max, and this was from X-Men. Can't remember his name, but he played the Nun in The Nun. Nicholas Hammond, Spider-Man, Miles Teller. Can't remember what movie that was. Is that Bad to the Bone or something? I can't remember the name of that movie. John Cusack autograph. It's a Casey Affleck autograph. Guy that played the scary Insidious ghost. That's Janine Goldstein. She was Diamondback in Near Dark. Something Brian Wilson, I can't remember his other name, but he was in Silent Night, Deadly Night. We got Vanilla Ice there, jamming with the Ninja Turtles. This is Tommy Flanagan. He was in Sons of Anarchy, and I didn't realize he was in Braveheart, so I had to have a photo because Braveheart's one of my favorite shows, or movies, and Sons of Anarchy is one of my favorite shows. Autograph of Burt Lancaster. I picked that one up, and I picked up the Jerry Lewis at a flea market for $3 each, along with the Vincent Price and Jimmy Stewart autographs. So that was really good pickups. But yeah, just want to show you what I've been hanging up. Let's get to what sold. We sold a sealed copy of Wizard of Oz. We paid $1 for this at a Dollar Tree, and we got $9.99 for it. I ended up buying 700 DVDs and Blu-rays at the Dollar Tree a couple days ago. I should have done a haul video, but I had to hurry up and get them to the store. I put a bunch of them on eBay too. Sold an Ohio University baseball jersey. There it is, that should be it. Maybe. I think that's it. I paid $1.99 for this at a thrift store. Sold it for $19.99, and it was a small. I was surprised it sold. I don't see too much Ohio University stuff, so I always pick it up. I pretty much do a lot of thrifting in their hometown of Athens because I live about 35 minutes away, so I find a lot of their stuff, but I don't see a lot of it on eBay. All right, we sold a Cincinnati Reds shirt. It's a World Championship shirt. Kind of looks exactly like this one. That's what it looks like. I paid $1.99 for this. Looks like it's never been worn. I sold it for $19.99. I tell you, if I sound like I'm trying to hurry through this or seem a little different tonight, it's probably because it's almost 90 degrees in here. The air conditioning went out, so I'm sweating like a pig, and I'm just wanting to hurry up and get out of here. So let's see what else we sold. Sold a Clean Up Men. Bought this at the Dollar Tree for $1. The last time they had their dollar DVDs. And we sold this one for $19.99. That was a good pickup. Well, you know what? I didn't get that at the Dollar Tree because it's used. I got it at a flea market for $1. It's even better, used item for 20 bucks. Okay, we sold this Friends, the 10th season. We ended up picking these up for $1.50 at a pawn shop. We got 2 of them, but we got 10th season and whatever season this one is, 9th season. Like I said, we got this for $1.50. It was new, still sealed, and we sold it for $13.99. We sold a Nike sweatshirt. believe it's this one right here. It was a white tag. I believe that's the one. Yeah, it's got the essential little Nike thing, white tag. We bought this for $2.99 at a thrift store, and we sold it for $48.99. You guys remember that vintage t-shirt lot where I got 450 t-shirts for 150 bucks? Well, it's the gift that keeps on giving, because here's the Dale Jarrett that was out of that. It was the all over Dale Jarrett. I sold it today. I basically have 30 cents in all the t-shirts. Sold this one for $49.99. Sold a CD, some kind of hip, walk, jazz, something or other. Pretty sure it was used. There we go. I paid 50 cents for this at a flea market, and we sold it for $13.99. Sold a Boston Up. I remember I couldn't give these things away. You know, when they came out, I was selling them for like $2.99. But I picked this up at a pawn shop the other day for $1, and I sold it for $22.99. Must be out of print now. Sold a Yancey Butler. I remember. I just saw it and I can't remember which album I put it in. I don't think it, no, it wasn't this album. Don't think it's that album. Might be the horror album. I don't think it was this either. That's the problem with, you know, doing all kinds of different, you know, albums. You kind of forget where they are sometimes. It won't be hard to find, you know. Just take a couple minutes. There we go. Yancey Butler. I think I paid $2.99 or $3.99 for this, and we sold it for $13.99. We sold a Highwaymen. We just picked this up on our little thrifting trip that we did in Pennsylvania. We ended up buying this at a thrift store. That's one good thing I found up there. I ended up buying, in my thrift trip, I ended up buying about, I don't know, $250 worth of stuff while I was up there. But almost all of it was DVDs. I couldn't find hardly any vintage t-shirts. I couldn't find, you know, anything of value anywhere. But I did pick this up for $1 at one of the thrift stores there, and I sold it for $27.49. And speaking of thrift store purchases, I bought this one at the same thrift store for $1.99, and I sold this for $19.99. It's a Dabney Coleman series that's out of print, so that was a good pickup too. So it was nice to find some stuff that sold really fast, so it helps pay for my trip. We sold a Kane autograph photo. There we go. It was that one that was up and down right there. I paid like $6.50 for this. Yeah, like I said, we paid $6.50 for it. We sold it for $14.99. We sold a snapback. I think it's right here. New with tags. It's the Ravens football team. Starter cap, still with tags. We got this at the flea market, and I think we have $5 in trade in it, so that means I have about $2.50 worth of cash in it, and I sold it for $39.99. We sold a Descendants 3. We bought this at the flea market the other day for $3. Let's see, it's got to be around here. It was new, still sealed. We sold it for $14.99. Okay, we sold to Eddie Guerrero. It's right there. This is another one we picked up on our thrifting trip. So, like I said, we didn't do great as far as thrifting, but like I said, we did do pretty good in media, and we sold a lot of it. We picked this up at one of the places for $1, and we sold it for $12.99. I sat at the hotel and listed a bunch of media, so that's why I didn't really get to do a whole video, because I pretty much had listed it, a lot of it. Sold some books. What do I do with those books? There we go. It's really hard to do this one-handed. Yeah, this is one of the lots here. It was like 5 books for like $15. And I believe this was the other lot. It was like 30 books for $59, and the same person bought all of them. We ended up paying 35 cents a book, so we made pretty good money on them. And what's crazy, this is another one of the DVDs that we found on our trip. It was House Season 8. We paid $1.99 for it, and we sold it for $25.99. So overall, I mean, we did really good on the media. I just wish the other stuff was a little bit better. All right, guys, we're going to do a what's sold video today. This is everything that's sold Monday and Tuesday. We didn't sell a whole lot of stuff, but I'm kind of glad because my office is still 90 degrees. Let's see what we sold. We sold a Night Ranger CD. Right here. We just picked this up in a trade the other day. We have about 60 cents in trade in it. And we sold this for $24.99. We sold an Ip Man double movie. Is this it? Donnie Yen, story about Bruce Lee's trainer. It was sealed. We paid $1 for it at the Dollar Tree the other day, and we sold it for $8.99. We sold a Farewell to Kings Rush CD. It's right there. We picked that up for $1 the other day. We sold it for $9.99. We sold a John Wayne Cowboys and Chisholm or something. Did I put that under Cowboys or put it under John Wayne? Not seeing it there. Checked under John Wayne. There we go. Picked that up for $1.25 at the Dollar General. We sold it for $18.88. Sold a 4 Holiday Classic. Bought that at a pawn shop for $1, and we sold it for $13.99. Sold a Richard Stride. One of the Star Wars. It was one of the Star Wars photos. Can't remember if it was Empire or Attack of the Clones. I'm not sure. I can't remember which one it was. But he's some character in it. Character never rung a bell to me. Poggy or something. But we sold that. I think we paid $4.99 for it, and we sold it for $14.99. We sold a DVD called R Vine something. There we go. Actually, that's the one I just showed in the haul video a little bit ago. But we just bought that a couple days ago. We paid $1 for it. and we sold it for 12 bucks. Archive collection. Those things always sell very, good, $10 to $12. And we sold a Dan Henderson. I've been selling a lot of this Dan Henderson. Yeah, we sold the punch one right here. We picked these up for like $2.99, and we sold this for $14.99. We also sold a Ivan Koloff, or a Nikita Koloff. This one right here. We had Nikita for signing at our shop, and I ended up having, I don't know, maybe $2 in this, $3 maybe. And we sold it for, it was $15.99. So the Brenda Chapman autographed Brave photo. Guess she was like the writer, and I think at one time she was supposed to be the director, and I think she got let go or something, or replaced or something. I think that's what I was reading. I think it's in this album here. There we go. Brenda Chapman, Brave. We bought this for $5.99 and we sold it for $19.99. We sold a Wofford. Not sure how to pronounce it, but it was a hat that I picked up a long time ago, and I thought, man, this hat's gonna sell really fast, because it seemed like it was a really nice hat. It was a small college. Usually the smaller colleges, there doesn't seem to be as much stuff out there, so people are eager to buy it when they find it. But this has not been one of those hats for me. There it is. I guess I should wipe it off before I send it out. But I paid $1.99 for this hat, and I sold it for $17.99 shipped. I want to thank you guys for checking out the video, and I appreciate all the videos you guys check out. Keep following the channel if you're having a good time. That's everything we sold. Have a good night, guys. Peace.